Today we're going to show that how to take screenshot with Lightshot. So first of all, what we need to do, simply going to download Lightshot app, search on Lightshot, press on enter and press on download. And then if you are a computer user, means if you are a Windows user, so press on download Windows, or if you are Apple user, so press on download on Apple. So as I'm Windows user, so simply I will press on download on Windows. So this file is downloaded. It will take a few seconds only to download. Already I downloaded before, so now I need to do a setup. So where I will go, so simply I will just press on it, and after downloading this test you will get this kind of things, setup Lightshot. Just press on it and then press on yes, again okay, and press on accept, press on next, and we need to do some customization of it if you would like to change the key to take a screenshot. So I'm gonna show you everything else. Already I downloaded this one before, so okay, so already this is added on my desktop. So just press on the options and press on the hotkey, and if you would like to press on insert, so automatically you will can take a screenshot. Just press on insert like that. If I press on insert, so then I will get a selection area. So now I can select, and if I would like to take a screenshot, then simply I will have to press on Control plus S. So that's all.